Have you ever watched a detective solve a complex case? It's a fascinating process, isn't it? They don't jump to conclusions. Instead, they take their time, carefully considering every piece of evidence. They meticulously piece together clues, connecting each piece of evidence in a logical sequence. Every detail matters, and every connection is crucial. This process, my friends, is quite similar to how chain of thought prompting, or COT, works. It's a method that helps AI think in a structured, human-like way. It's about guiding artificial intelligence to think more like us, breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable steps. Chain of thought. Prompting isn't about magic. It's about logic and structured thinking. Just like a detective uses reasoning to solve a mystery, chain of thought. Prompting helps AI models reason their way to a solution. It's a methodical approach that ensures accuracy and depth. It's a fascinating concept that's changing how we interact with AI, making it more intuitive and, dare I say, more human. This human-like reasoning is what sets COT apart. In the vast universe of AI, chain of thought prompting is a relatively new star. It's a beacon of innovation and potential, but its brilliance is undeniable. It shines brightly, guiding us towards new possibilities. It holds the potential to revolutionize how we solve problems, make decisions, and even understand our own thought processes. Imagine the possibilities when AI can think like us. So buckle up, fellow explorers. We're on the brink of something extraordinary. We're about to embark on a journey into the world of COT. It's an adventure filled with discovery and innovation. By the end, you'll not only understand this groundbreaking technology, but also be equipped to use it yourself. Get ready to unlock the potential of AI with chain of thought prompting. Imagine asking an AI, if all cats are mammals, and Garfield is a cat, is Garfield a mammal? This seems straightforward to us, but for an AI, it can be a bit more challenging. A traditional AI might struggle to connect the dots and arrive at the correct conclusion. But with chain of thought, or COT prompting, we introduce the power of because. This simple word can transform the AI's reasoning process. Our prompt now becomes, if all cats are mammals and Garfield is a cat, is Garfield a mammal? Let's think step by step. Garfield is a cat. All cats are mammals. By breaking it down, we make the reasoning clear. Therefore, because Garfield is a cat and all cats are mammals, Garfield is a mammal. See the difference? The reasoning is now explicit and easy to follow. By explicitly laying out the reasoning process, we guide the AI to the correct answer. This method ensures that the AI understands the logical steps involved. The because acts as a bridge between the information and the conclusion, making the thought process transparent and easy to follow. It connects the dots in a way that the AI can understand. It's like teaching a child to solve a puzzle. We don't just give them the answer. We show them how the pieces fit together. This method of teaching ensures a deeper understanding. Similarly, chain of thought teaches AI to think logically step by step. It encourages the AI to follow a structured approach to problem solving. This simple shift in prompting has profound implications. It changes the way AI approaches problems, making it more effective. It unlocks a new level of reasoning ability in AI, allowing it to tackle more complex problems with greater accuracy and understanding. This advancement opens up new possibilities for AI applications in various fields. Chain of thought prompting is more than just a fancy term in the AI world. It's a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize various fields. Imagine a doctor using chain of thought prompting-powered AI to diagnose complex diseases, carefully considering each symptom and test result to arrive at the most accurate diagnosis. Or think about educators using chain of thought prompting to create personalized learning plans, tailoring the learning path based on a student's strengths and weaknesses. The possibilities are endless. From improving customer service with more intelligent chatbots to developing safer and more efficient self-driving cars, chain of thought prompting is poised to make a real-world impact. The beauty of chain of thought prompting lies in its simplicity and adaptability. It's not limited to a specific industry or task. Its principles can be applied to any problem that requires logical reasoning and step-by-step thinking. As we continue to explore and refine this technology, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Ready to experience the power of chain of thought prompting firsthand? It's an exciting journey that will open up new possibilities for you. It's easier than you might think. With just a few steps, you'll be able to harness the full potential of chain of thought prompting. Let's start with a simple example to get you familiar with the process. Imagine you're trying to plan the quickest route from your home to the grocery store. This is a common task that can be made more efficient with COT. A traditional prompt might be, "What's the fastest route to the grocery store?" This is straightforward but lacks depth. Now let's add some chain of thought prompting magic by providing more context and details. I live on Elm Street, and the grocery store is on Oak Avenue. This gives the AI a starting point and a destination. To get to Oak Avenue from Elm Street, I can take Main Street, but it's usually crowded. This adds a layer of complexity. Alternatively, I can take Pine Street, which is a shorter route but has a traffic light. Now, the AI has multiple factors to consider. Considering the traffic conditions, what's the fastest route to the grocery store? Let's think step by step. See the difference? This approach encourages a more thorough analysis. We've provided the AI with all the necessary information and guided it to consider different factors. This makes the response more accurate. We've also encouraged it to think step by step, leading to a more accurate and well-reasoned response. This is the essence of TOT. Remember, the key is to break down the problem, provide context, and use phrases like, "Let's think step by step," or "therefore," because to encourage a logical thought process. This method ensures clarity and precision in the AI's responses. Like any new skill, mastering chain of thought prompting takes practice. Beginners often stumble upon common pitfalls, but fear not, these are easily avoidable. One common mistake is not providing enough context. Remember, AI doesn't have the same background knowledge as humans. Another pitfall is expecting miracles. While powerful, chain of thought prompting is not a magic wand. It can't invent information or solve problems with incomplete data. Be clear and specific in your prompts, providing all the necessary information for the AI to work with. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of chain of thought prompting lies in its flexibility. Try different prompting styles, experiment with various levels of detail, and see what works best for your specific needs. With practice, you'll develop an intuitive understanding of how to craft effective chain of thought prompting prompts. Ready to take your chain of thought prompting skills to the next level? Let's dive into some advanced techniques and strategies. One powerful strategy is incorporating few-shot prompting. This involves providing the AI with a few examples of solved problems before presenting it with your actual query. Another pro tip is to leverage the power of reasoning steps. Instead of just asking for the answer, ask the AI to list each step in its reasoning process. This not only provides greater transparency, but also allows you to identify any flaws in the AI's logic. Remember, chain of thought. Prompting is a constantly evolving field. New techniques and best practices are emerging all the time. Stay curious, experiment with different approaches, and never stop exploring the potential of this groundbreaking technology. As we stand on the cusp of an AI revolution, chain of thought prompting emerges as a beacon of hope. It's a bridge between human and artificial intelligence, a way to teach machines to think more like us, logically, ethically, and creatively. The potential applications of COT are limitless, spanning across every industry and aspect of human endeavor. But beyond its practical uses, COT offers something far more profound, a deeper understanding of our own cognitive processes. By dissecting and replicating human reasoning, we gain valuable insights into the workings of our own minds. So, my fellow explorers, embrace the power of chain of thought prompting. Ask questions, experiment, and never stop pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The future of thought is in our hands, and it's waiting to be explored. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.